Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class. Today you'll be learning about articles, a and the. Let's begin. So today's lesson objective, you'll be knowing about the meaning of articles, and you will learn why each article is important in writing. You will select the right article to show if the noun is significant or important or not. And you will know the difference between specific or definite and unspecific or indefinite articles. So the vocabulary you will say today, we have 3 vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word, I want you to say article. So article has 3 syllables. Remember the syllables we learned yesterday? Article. Everybody? Good. Article is a word before a noun. It shows how important that noun is in a story. Number 2 is definite. I know N-I-T-E, I know I-E makes the I sound, but the E is silent or quiet. So this one, it makes the short I sound, I. So we say definite, definite, definite. Let me hear you. Good. Definite is only talking about that noun or nouns. Now we have another one. We have to say indefinite. 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 Let me hear you. Indefinite. Okay. Indefinite is it can be about any type of nouns or nouns. So indefinite article can be about anything, any noun, okay? But definite article is only talking about that one particular noun or only that many nouns, okay? I know it's a little bit, I don't understand, Teacher Max, but let's keep going and it will be easier to understand. So here we go. There are 3 articles. 3, not 2, not 4, not 100. 3. How many articles do we have? 3. Okay. So there are 3 articles. A. So we have a and the. So let's read about a. We use a. A is an article that talks about one indefinite or any type of noun. Only one noun. Okay. And we use an article that talks about one indefinite or any type of noun. This article is in front of a word that begins with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Only one noun. So it's only used for one noun. Let's talk about the. The is an article that only talks about that noun or that one noun or only about that many nouns. It's tricky, right? Let's keep going. Okay. So we're going to talk more about the. I think we already know about when to use a or when to use an because we talked about this a couple of weeks ago. But let's talk about the because the is actually the trickiest or harder to understand. So there are many reasons why we use the word the. So this article can be confusing. So here are some words that you always use the. You use the when it is only about that noun or specifically about that noun. So you only use the when you only talk about that noun. So let's say, here we go. Oh my gosh, there are many pencils, right? So I'm gonna put my pencil on the right and I'll put my pencil on the left. So I'll say, Teacher Max picks up a pencil, right? Because you don't know which pencil I'm talking about. Now I'm going to say, Teacher Max is picking up the pencil from the right. Now, yes, there's only one pencil on the left and one pencil on the right. But now when I use the word the, it's because I'm only talking about this pencil because this pencil is on my right. Do you understand? Okay, let's keep going. You always use the before a word that can't be anything else, like the sun, right? There's only one sun. There's not many suns, okay? There's only one sun, so that's why we say the sun. Next we say the moon. There's only one moon, right? There's not many moons in the sky. There's only one moon, so we need to say the moon. Last we say the earth. There are many earths, many earths in the sky, but we only use, what am I saying? There's only one earth, everybody. There's not many earths in the sky, right? There's not many earths. There are probably many planets, but there are not many earths. This is the only planet Earth that we are in right now. So that's why we call it the earth, not an earth or a moon or a sun. No. Okay, now it says you can use the before plurals like the boys, the cows, the chickens. Now you can't really say boys because is one and boys ending with s is plural, so that means it's many, right? So that's incorrect. The cows, same thing. Also it says you don't. So look at this word right here. This is a big word. Don't. It says you don't use the in front of names of people or places like the Nada, the Matha, the Dubai, the Salem, the Abu Dhabi. Yeah, we don't use the word the in front of names, okay? So just remember that we don't use the in front of names, like names of people, like the Dubai, like I said, the Teacher Max. You don't. So remember that, okay? Shall we continue? Let's begin. So now let's have examples of articles. So we're going to use examples using articles. So here we go. So this sentence is called, there is a boy. He is running. Now, why do we use a? Well, let's ask the question here. It says, do you know who the boy is? Do you know who the boy is talking about? Can this be any boy like Obaid, Nab, or Hadub? Yes, it could, because we don't know who the boy is. So this sentence is indefinite because you don't know who the boy is. Let's keep going. Okay, example using articles again. It says, an ant is climbing up the tree. It is climbing very high. So look at this word an, okay? So an is in front of the noun. So because ant also begins with a vowel. So now it says, can this be about any type of ant climbing up a tree? Can it be a black ant, a red ant, or a fire ant? Yes, it could be, because we don't know what the ant is talking about. So this sentence is indefinite because you don't know what type of ant the story is talking about. Let's keep going. Is it getting easier, everybody? I hope it's getting easier. Now it says, example using an article. There was a boy named Ryan. The boy was tall and fast. He could play basketball like no other. Wow. So now look at this sentence. Look at the first sentence. So the first sentence is using the article a. But if you look at the second sentence is using the word the. Why? Let's figure it out. It says, do you know who the boy is? Well, yes, his name is Ryan. Do you know what he is about? Yes. He's tall, fast, and he could play basketball. Why did we use a in the first sentence, but the in the second sentence? Let's figure it out. It says, this sentence is definite because you know who the boy is and his name. The first sentence had a because you did not know the name of the boy yet. So you did not know him, you did not know yet. In the second sentence, you use the because you already know the boy's name and who the adjectives were referring to, like tall and fast. Do you understand? Let's keep going. Okay, so these will be the questions that will be on Seesaw. This will be your quiz, like a car was driving down the street. We'll do this together. How about this? And then other questions, you have to do it by yourself. All right, so let's figure it out. It says a car was driving down the street. Is this definite or indefinite? It is indefinite, yes, because look, the article says a car, but we don't know which car. It could be any car, right? It could be your car, it could be my car, it could be that car, it could be this car down the street, up the road in the school, and we don't know which street it's talking about. This could be any street. It could be Sheikh Zayed Road, it could be Jumeirah, it could be Al Barsha, it could be Emirates Road. This could be any street, right? So we don't know. So this is indefinite. Okay, so these, you will do these by yourself. This will be on Seesaw. So this is correct, incorrect. So you have to figure out what these answers are. So let's review. It says article. So we're going to do this again so we know if you remember. Hold up. All right, guys. Okay. All right, so article, a word used before a noun. There are 3 articles. Remember this, guys. 3 articles, a and the. Definite article only talks about that one noun or only about those many nouns. Indefinite article, it can be about any noun or nouns. You don't know which noun or nouns are particular. A, used before a noun that doesn't have a vowel as the first letter. And used before a noun that does have a vowel as the first letter. The, only used to talk about a particular noun or nouns. Okay, so that's your review. I hope all of you understand. And that's about it. So like I said, you have to answer the questions on Seesaw, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please, on Teams or on the YouTube comment section, you need to tell me that you watched this video so I know that you watched it fully, okay? And I want you to do the Seesaw homework. Okay, well, that's it. I'll see all of you guys next week. Bye-bye.